From raw material selection to final inspection, we uphold rigorous quality controls to deliver precision-engineered components that meet the exacting needs of industries such as automotive, aerospace, and heavy machinery. With over 30 years of industry experience, our team is recognized for our focus on innovation, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Our advanced technology, strict quality standards, and responsive customer service make us a preferred partner for clients worldwide seeking superior casting solutions.